Yo, good morning, guys. Just want to do a quick little AM video, kind of what I'm thinking going into today and this week. So obviously, we know where we delivered from on Friday, right? We had a big move up and end of day, delivering from 50% of the last weekly order block, right off the 50% of the wick here. So it's a chance. So what to watch this week is if we close over here, we're gonna have ourselves a weekly prop block going into the summer months here in the market. So if we get a weekly prop block here, I'm looking for further expansion up. Obviously, this is more down the line, not like something that's going to happen today or tomorrow, but just something that I'm paying attention to. If we look at ES weekly as well, you see ES wicked right off the weekly order block as well here too, right? Just didn't hit 50%, but still hit the wick of that order block. As well as if we look at the daily for NQ, if you look at this old order block here, that was never it was tapped. I guess it was tapped here, but you see, like we wicked right off of it, like, perfectly, right? So it's just very algorithmic price delivery. When price delivers from here, you don't want to be shorting. Why would you want to be shorting against a weekly bullish order block, a daily order block? It was also it's a daily FEG, weekly FEG as well, weekly breaker. Like it's just a bunch of stuff you don't want to be shorting against. Like it's price. This is literally price showing you that that it wants to go higher. Sure, there's going to be little pullbacks in there that you can short for a couple points here and there, but price is literally showing you where it wants to go, especially off a big level like that, and you just straight up here and you're violating 1 hour and 4 hour FVGs, right? So still we're in that mindset of bullish long until they just don't work anymore. In my opinion, going back to the daily, what I'm going to be watching today is obviously we've already hit daily 50 back up, right? We hit 50 here, and then what do we see here? We've got daily fair value gap sitting here. So this is what I'm going to be watching today. If we end up, inversing this, and then you see, we probably draw up to this volume imbalance. To be honest, today, up at that 18,750 level, fill us in. If we end up inversing this either today or even tomorrow, and I think it's pretty clear we're probably just going right back to all time highs up here. So these are the things to watch today. Just the daily FVG. If we do get a short off of it, I mean, I wouldn't mind it, but still, I think you're still going against the higher time frame, the higher time frame grain here, because especially with where price bounced Friday, just very algorithmic, and you don't want to fade that. So if you can help it. So looking at the hourly, really didn't make any FEGs last night. Well, I guess we did actually. So maybe a Judas swing down to here because we know that between that the Judas, when we expect the Judas swing, kind of got relative equal lows down here as well. But when we expect the Judas swing, it usually comes back and takes some kind of hourly low. This would end up being our London lows actually, and then so maybe a move like this fills in the hourly FEG. Everything's filled in from overnight. London liquidity swept and is and looks like Asia would be as well. I guess Asia would be down here, but so maybe this is a possibility. If we get some kind of dump on open and we come down here, I'm gonna be looking for a longs right back up to the highs. Kind of gives you that. The accumulation, the manipulation leg up and then either down or you get a move down first. Let me back up here. I actually drew that wrong. So it's like accumulation here down and then distribution back up higher. And then, we're kind of, it just looks very, with a move like this V-shaped recovery, you have nice LRLR pretty much all the way back up, right? So it just kind of looks very bi-model-y to me. You got sell side was here, hit all those weekly FVGs the weekly PD arrays that we tapped and bounced off of down here that I showed you, and then just a buy model right back up to all time highs here. So just really what I'm thinking today. I'm not there's nothing bearish about this chart. Um, the only thing bearish right now is we're inside the daily FVG, which could provide some resistance. We do have some HRLR here. I think that could give us a Judas swing. So you see with this, you see we already rebalanced this. We also did not balance. This BPR is not balanced. So I mean, an even bigger Judas swing brings us down to here, and then up here. But so if there's no confirmation longs out of here, I'll be looking for confirmation longs out of this hourly BPR because you see, while we balanced the FEG, we did not get into the BPR, so price could come all the way back to there first. We could come all the way back down to the 15-minute BPR down here. Before going higher, because I mean it would be like a typical buy model. You get accumulation, a little down move, your manipulation move, and then back up higher, and that's what kind of makes up your buy models. It'd be like a smaller, lower time frame, sell model inside of a larger time frame buy model, which we know that's what makes up market maker models. So with that, guys, it's bullish again going into today, unless we really start crushing through this hourly and this hourly BPR. And then we know we're going lower. Maybe we just held those weekly levels last week on Friday just for a 50% retrace to come up, rebalance daily FEGs, and now we're starting a bigger sell model. But to me, I don't think that's the case right now. If we do start to get crazy bearish and come back down and take these lows, we have daily volume imbalances down here. That would be the next target, but we'll worry about that when the chart is actually showing us that it's wanting to draw down to there. So with that, hope you guys have a fantastic day, and we'll catch you guys in chat.